Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create a MongoDB aggregation pipeline in Node.js with sort and the project stages. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my code. First I am going to create a .env file where I am going to add my connection string. I am going to call my environment variable as MongoDB_URI. This is where I am going to add my connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. So we are going to connect from an application. So click drivers. So already the Node.js is selected, and also I have installed the MongoDB driver. So just copy the connection string. Paste the connection string here. So we need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved the file. Now I'm going to add my application code. I'm going to call it as app.js. First we need to require the MongoDB driver. MongoDB. So then we are going to require the .env, because we are going to load the environment variable config. Okay, now we'll get the URI process.env .mongodb_URI. Now let's get the client, new Mongo client. We need to pass the URI. Okay, so we are going to run an aggregation pipeline against the students DB, which is part of the university database. So I'm giving the DB name as university. We need to give the collection name, which is going to be students. Okay, so now we are going to the students collection client.db. we need to first give the okay, then the collection, then the collection name. Okay, so we are good. So now we are going to create an aggregation pipeline, okay, with match, sort and project. Okay, so I'm going to match. I'm going to create a match query, so where I want to query all the grade A students. Okay, then sort query, so where I'm going to sort based on the name of the students. Okay, done. So then I'm going to use a project query where I'm going to say which all fields I wanted to see in my output. I do not want all the fields, so I'm going to decide on what are the fields I want. Okay, student ID I want. Okay, then I want the name. Okay, so then I want the grade of the student. Okay, and then by default ID will come, so I don't want that, so I'm going to exclude that. Okay, so then I'm going to create a new field called total marks. Okay, so this is going to be sum of all the marks the student has got. Okay, so again this is going to be a sum, and then marks.eng. Okay, so next again sum, and it is going to be marks.lang. Okay, then again it is going to be sum, then marks.max. Okay, so it's all good. Okay, and first I will create a pipeline. This is going to be an array which is going to have match, comma sort, comma project. Okay, now I'm going to write my main function main. Okay, first I'm going to add the try block. First we need to establish the client connection, connect. So I am going to print when the connection is successfully established, successfully connected. Okay, now we are going to execute the pipeline. So await. Okay, dot aggregate we need to pass the pipeline. Okay, then I'm going to print the output. Wait, const doc of cursor. Okay, then I'm going to do a console.log and then the doc. Okay, all good. So I'm going to add the catch block. Console.error. Okay, then the finally I'm going to do a connection close, client.close. Okay, then we are going to invoke the main function. There again I'm going to add a catch block, console.error. Then finally client.close. Okay, it's all good. Save the changes. Now I'm going to open a new terminal and then execute the program. Node.js. So we could see that program got executed successfully. So we were able to successfully establish a connection to the MongoDB, and then we were able to execute the aggregation pipeline with the match, sort and the project stages. In the match stage, we were able to filter all the documents of grade A students, and the sorting, we were done the sorting based on the name in the alphabetical order, and in the projection stage we have identified set of fields which we want in the output, like the student ID, name, grade, and also we have added a new field called total marks, which is the sum of all the marks a student has got. In this demo, we have seen how to connect to a MongoDB Atlas cluster from a Node.js application and execute an aggregation pipeline with the match, sort and project stages. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.